Hello guys, and welcome back. People still doubt my relationship with Ike because it's too real. BBNaija winner Mercy Ike says. Okay guys, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drop. Mercy Ike, the winner of 2019 BBNaija reality TV show, has said that people still doubt her relationship with fellow ex-housemate Ike. Mercy Ike and Ike, who are currently running a reality TV show, met during their time in the 2019 BBNaija show. They announced their relationship shortly after Mercy Ike emerged winner of the show, which saw her earn 60 million naira as prize money. People still doubt it because it is too real, she said during an Instagram live chat. They don't believe in something they don't know. They don't believe in our kind of relationship or love or whatever you may call it. They don't believe that someone like me and someone like I can be together, can do things and can pop. Alright guys, recall that recently Mercy and Ike just launched their reality TV show called Mercy and Ike Show. Okay guys, and what do you think about Mercy and Ike's relationship? Let us know in the comment section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.